Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way. Boneless, skinless, organic chicken. Green olives. Organic, don't get upset. Oh, those are artichoke hearts that are marinated and they're organic, and that's awesome. We got some olive oil and some seasonings. We got the oven over here. What do I have it set for? Let's take a look. I can never see it. It's about 375. Yeah, I say 375 is what we want. Foster here. How you guys doing? Guess what? My wife loves chicken. I love chicken. Usually I grill it. But this is, you guys got a treat. I'm going to make my killer chicken, artichoke, and olives. Check it out. First off, olive oil is everybody's friend. We're going to give it a good dollop. Oh, that's a great dollop. Olive oil. Next, let's get that chicken down. There's 4 boneless, skinless breasts that are very happy to be part of your life. All right. Now next, check it out. Believe it or not, more olive oil. Put a little salt down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at that. They each got one. Pepper. This is called coriander seed. Oh, it's the best. It's gorgeous. Just put a little of that down. It loves poultry. And chicken is poultry. I didn't make that up. These are minced onions, and that one came out fast. But that's what I wanted. So, garlic powder, no salt. Give them a good, because they're going to bake for a little while. Oregano. Basil. 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 All right. Green olives. You're just going to take them, just put them all up. Squeeze some of them, put some of them in. That's gorgeous. And like I said, this is marinated artichoke hearts, and we're just going to spread those around. And I purposely kept the juice in there so it has something to bake with. That's the baby. We're going to put this in at 375, and we'll check it in 20 minutes. All right, this is 20 minutes in, guys. And let's pull this baby up. And you can see what it's doing. You can see these are still probably half cooked, which means another 20 minutes, Mike, at least. So I'm going to flip them, as you can see. And it smells really good, which is nice. And we've got the artichoke, we've got the olives, we've got this liquid. So I got it up to 400. Let's take another look in 20. See that? All right, there's the timer. How are we doing? Let's see if this is ready. Looks like a lot of stuff. I want to make sure the chicken's done. Let's cut into it. That looks pretty good, guys. Probably needs, I'm just going to say, another couple minutes. I want to make sure it's cooked. Can you guys see it? Of course you can, that's because I'm showing it to you. Okay. See that? It looks a little pinky. Pinky. And then, I can't wait to eat some of that. All right. We're going to go 6 minutes and then we're done. We'll see you then. All right. That's the finished product. We're going to finish it up with just a little shredded Parm cheese. Oh, I mean, I'm not kidding. You could add tomatoes. You could add what you want, but this is non-tomato. That's how it finishes up. I'm going to serve this baby up. Close up, then big bite coming up. All right, what is that? That's the chicken with green olives, artichoke, little parm on there. Can't wait for a big bite. There she be. All you do is taste it, mate. There's a natural flavor from this artichoke and olive. Get them all right there. And then the seasonings work. And that's super good. Olive. artichoke. These were marinated, so that gives it some more of the flavor. So check my website, Little Light 365 at YouTube for more recipes like this. It's not just eggs, but eggs are good. Till next time, peace.
Live life 365.
That's what I'm saying. I'm not messing around. Everybody hold on. That's how it works. That's what they said. 14. I counted. You can count along at home if you want. You guys following along at home? I hope so. That's why I'm doing this. That's what she said. Can't quite. I can't speak. That's. Oh. Sweet Babu. So just be patient. Did you guys hear that beeping? That was me setting. Oh my God! Look at this guy. Hopefully his teeth are. That's too much. All right, we're coming up on 20 minutes. I mean, what timing? That's pretty good timing. You can't imagine it. That's what she said.